chicken gizzards with chicken drumstick. Yummy. Comment, like, subscribe. Here in my pot, I'm stewing some chicken gizzards, as you could see the chicken gizzards, and some chicken drumsticks, because the gizzards is not enough, so I had to add some chicken drumsticks to it. And I'm stewing it up. As you could see, my coloring is here, my brown coloring. So it's there, they call it browning. You stew up your sugar and then you make your browning. And of course you saw the seasoning at the top before, so I'm just letting it stew. Chicken gizzard with chicken drumsticks. So I'm going to let it finish stew, and I'm just going to cover it up here. It helps it to keep the heat in there so it's cooked faster. Yay. Guys, this is the chicken gizzards with the chicken drumsticks. That's what it looks like. It's cooked and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.